What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. Just real quick, guys. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Been doing this for almost 3 years. Should I stop filming? Should I stop recording for the channel? It's been on my mind a lot lately because my channel is not growing. I was hoping by now, 3 years, almost 3 years deep into this, of being able to make some sort of, cash inflow, some sort of income to where I don't necessarily want or need to live off of, but at least have the hobby support itself. And here I am, like I said, almost 3 years later, and I've been seriously thinking about, is it worth it? Um, I don't know anymore. Actually, I do know. I'm not going to give up, guys. We're going to keep going, and I am grateful for the 651 subscribers I have as of recording this right here and right now. And no matter what, if I don't ever make a penny off of this, I'm fine with that. But, I am going to need your guys' help. If you guys want to start supporting the channel in any sort of way, I did create a Venmo link. It is in the description below. You guys can send whatever you can if that's what you guys want to do. If not, then I seriously start needing my likes to climb. I need you guys to share the videos more, and commenting helps as well. So another thing that'll help too is if you guys are already subscribed, make sure that notification is turned on. This way the video, once I upload or release, because a lot of videos have already been uploaded. Real quick, guys, when you guys see my videos, I didn't record this yesterday, or I didn't record it even last week. My videos are like 2 or 3 months old by the time you guys see them. So, which kind of brings us to why I haven't uploaded here in the month of September. Well, I'm going to be participating in what is called Vlogtober, and every year in the month of October, a lot of YouTubers do this. They go out and they film a bunch of videos, different kinds of videos, not necessarily just Halloween stuff just because we're in the month of October, but a wider array of a genre, I guess, is, for lack of a better term. So you guys are going to be getting a little bit more stuff than just abandoned stuff. You might see a little bit more theme parks. Yeah. Maybe not so abandoned things. It's going to be some different stuff, but a lot of it is also going to be the same too. So this is just a way to kind of test the waters and see what else will fit within our adventure category. So I am going to need a lot more comments from you guys, letting me know if you do or don't like the videos coming up in October. Also, some filming locations. Guys, I started filming for this back in late April, early May of this year. So I'm really hoping this is going to get our subscriber count to grow. I want to get over 1,000 subscribers, and I need to get my view time up a little bit more. This way I can get monetized, and I can start throwing in ads into the videos, and start making some sort of I don't want to say a profit, but some money that I can throw back into the channel. And real quick too, once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, I want to do 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I don't know what that's going to entail yet. I got to get with Mrs. 909 and see what kind of giveaways we can do. But real quick, check out this quick little abandoned tractor. You can tell it's been here for a long time. And I'm going to go ahead and upload or attach to the end of this video what I'm going to call a broken vlog. I'm going to call it a broken vlog because I had a mic that has been failing me. I've probably got a total of 10 vlogs that have been pretty much destroyed because of this mic. So it's out there laying on the side of the 395 somewhere out here in the Mojave Desert because it irritated me that much. I had to go and grab a new mic, a better mic. So hopefully this one works a little bit better. And real quick, guys, like I said, I did create that Venmo. The link is down there. If you guys feel that you can help in any way, that would be very much appreciated. And if you guys can't do that, just please like the videos, share them on your social media. Let's grow this, guys. Let's make this my job. Once this is my job and I can do this full time, then you guys will be getting more than one video a week. Definitely more than one video a week. I did say I wanted to go outside of California and record some other stuff. And then I did get another comment saying, well, you know, the reason I watch you is because there's not a lot of urban explorers in California. So you know what? I can go up to Northern California. There's a lot of stuff in Northern California. But, you know, that requires some sort of support from the channel. But anyways, guys, please, even like this video, like it for the broken vlog that I'm going to attach to this here at the end. And I would really appreciate your guys' help by sharing the video, letting everybody know that, hey, 909 Adventures is doing something great. And I would really appreciate that, you guys. Please comment down below. If you guys don't know what else to say, you guys have never commented, don't be shy, just say hello. I'm not going to bite your head off. I like to think I'm a friendly person. And yeah, I look forward to talking to everybody. Alright guys, so this is the start of the video. Obviously I'm doing my little introduction, you know, hi, welcome to 909 Adventures, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm playing this in double speed just to hurry and get through the first portion, the first half that has no audio due to that bad mic. And we actually were just driving by and came across this, had no idea this was here. And you're like, wow, this is pretty cool. It looks like a really small little farm or ranch. So we decided to pull over and make a video out of it. And here you can see like a really small barn. Maybe could fit like maybe 3 or 4 cattle of whatever sort of or whatever choosing of your choice. Does that even make sense what I just said? I don't know. You guys get the picture. But yeah, very, very small little ranch. Or it could have been dairy. I don't know. I guess it's not very much of a difference. But it was pretty trashed. Surprised that was all standing up still. And here we found like a little chicken coop. What I'm assuming would be a chicken coop. It's got all the chicken wire and whatever else holding it together. There's Holly doing a little demonstration for you guys. Okay, now over here, walking over to, wasn't quite sure what it was at the moment, but once I got over there, I could tell there was other cages over here for more animals. To me, it looked like a bunch of dog cages. It was kind of odd. You see what I mean there? Look like dog cages. But I mean, that doesn't mean that's what they kept in there. Could have been anything, I guess. Alright guys, so we're coming up to the end of the video where I did not get any audio, and I luckily had to switch over to the GoPro where it caught the audio. So alright guys, this is the end of the voiceover. Alright guys, I had to move over to the GoPro. My phone keeps overheating. It's so darn hot out here that there's really nothing I can do to keep my phone from overheating. It's a problem I've been having all day. So hopefully you guys don't notice much of a change. You might notice the wider lens. Maybe the audio is different, but we just got this house to do real quick, and then we're done anyways. So what do you think of this spot?
Pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah, the barn,
the small little barn
is my favorite.
right? Yeah, well, it's probably the most decent. That's not even decent. It's probably the best thing I've seen here. And you can't even walk on this, guys. Look,
People
might fall through.
Yeah, that's weird.
I'm assuming this was the kitchen, though.
Look, guys.
What do we see?
The plug.
And the plug sideways?
They're sideways.
That is weird.
I've never seen them sideways.
Yeah. Not in your time, anyways. And then a bathroom.
Yeah.
You could tell there was like a walk-in shower right there at one point.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm assuming this is...
So many shoes. So many shoes.
And you're touching it. Yeah. And then there's a little church-style barn. I mean, it does. It looks like an old schoolhouse or a small church from over here, doesn't it? With that little vent at the top. Pretty cool. That's what attracted us to this place as we were driving by. Let's see. Nothing really here. Looks like a Pokemon card. Let's see. I thought I seen a baseball card here a second ago. Guess not.
Oh, it's up to your shoe now.
Oh, here it is. It's funny, you know, I might have had this card when I was a kid.
And we still have it.
It doesn't look familiar, but I know I had a lot of baseball cards. I still actually have a lot of them. This was 87 through 91, so it's possible I had this card at one point. Alright, so check this out. They actually had a basement here before it burnt down. Something you don't see very often in California. And this sun is coming out, making it hotter than it already is. And yeah, don't know how long ago this fire happened. I didn't even know this house was here until we drove by. I mean, you can tell the shower's still standing though. Don't know why it is. Every time I come across a burnt house, well, obviously for obvious reasons, the chimney's still standing. That's meant to withstand fire. But why is the walk-in showers always still standing? Don't understand that. They're fiberglass. That one might be I don't know what that is. Don't know. But yeah, this would have been a cool little house to check out before it had burned down, but too bad we didn't get here before.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's going to just about do it for this video. I'm sorry it's a short video. What attracted us to this place was the barn out in the back. And obviously the burnt ruins that you guys seen. This little house was just kind of a little bonus. So hopefully we get a 10-minute video out of this so you guys can have something to watch. If you guys like this video, go ahead and do what?
Like and subscribe and hit that notifications and hit the bell button.
Yes, please guys do so.
And it's free.
Yeah, it's free. It costs you guys nothing to subscribe. And also just comment. If you guys don't know what to say, just say hello. Let's start a conversation. Let's get to know each other. Thanks for watching, everybody.